After making stinging allegations, the Congress and then resigning from the Congress, former Chhattisgarh Congress leader Radhika Khera has now joined the BJP. And along with her, actor Shekhar Suman has also joined the BJP. Formerly with the Congress, remember, Radhika Khera had made scathing allegations against the Congress while resigning, saying that state leaders harassed her and that they showcased a male chauvinistic mentality. Meanwhile, for Shekhar Suman, this will be the second stint in the field of politics. He had resigned from the Congress back in 2012.
You said that you reached out to the Congress leadership as well. There was no response. In fact, Jairam Ramesh shouted at you. How do you react to this?
My reaction has been by a resignation. I waited 6 long days and nights waiting for the party to take action, waiting for the party to send him at least a show cause notice. But everything was done to me. I was asked to shut up. I was not responded to. The entire hatred starts from the fact that I went and visited Ram Mandir. I went and paid my sentence to the Ram Mandir, and I was a Ram Bhakt, and I continuously was against the fact that the party took a stand and by not going to the Ram Mandir. I reached out to Rahul Gandhi ji, I reached out to Priyanka Gandhi ji, I reached out to Mallikarjun Kharge ji's office, I reached out to Jairam Ramesh ji, I reached out to Pawan Khera ji, I reached out to Sachin Pilot ji, I reached out to Bhupesh Baghel ji, and the only person who had a spine and who tried to help or to take some action was Pawan Khera ji, but he had no powers and he was not allowed to do anything. Even the former Mahila Congress Adhyaksh Neta D'Souza, who was doing a press conference at the Congress office today, she told me to shut up and not take this up, and she screamed at me. Jairam Ramesh ji screamed at me.
एक लास्ट सवाल आपसे पूछूंगा कि सुशील आनंद शुक्ला के अलावा और कौन लोग थे जिन्होंने आपके साथ मिसबिहेव किया?
सुशील आनंद शुक्ला ने बदतमीजी करी और उन्हीं के कहने पे इशारा करने पर नितिन बंसाली थे कमरे में और सुरेंद्र वर्मा थे. मुझे नहीं पता उन दोनों में से दरवाजा किसने बंद किया, क्योंकि जो सिचुएशन थी उनमें से एक ने दरवाजा बंद किया और फिर वो लोग दरवाजे के आगे आके खड़े हो गए.
सर सिर्फ एक सवाल जानना चाहता हूं कि बीजेपी आने के पीछे का मकसद क्या है?
बीजेपी यही तो जवाब है आपका. बीजेपी आने के पीछे क्या मकसद है? बीजेपी
प्रधानमंत्री से प्रभावित है
आप वैसे लोगों से डेफिनेटली प्रधानमंत्री जी से खास तौर पे विशेषता प्रभावित हूं. सभी लोग प्रभावित हैं, लेकिन उनमें तमाम लोग जो हैं, कार्यकर्ता हैं, जो काम ये पार्टी कर रही है देश के लिए, उससे प्रभावित है. उनकी सोच से, उनके फलसफा से, उनके काम करने का तरीका है, जो पिछले 10 साल में जो उन्होंने करके दिखाया, उससे प्रभावित.
400 पार हो जाएंगे इस बार आपको? जो
अब वो सब मैं नहीं कह सकता. मैं सच बताऊं तो नेता बन के नहीं आया, मैं एक कार्यकर्ता बन के आया हूँ, एक अभिनेता बन के आया हूँ. मुझसे
जिम्मेदारी दी आपको पार्टी?
अभी तो नहीं है. यही जिम्मेदारी है कि आपसे बात करूं.
देंगे तो आप जरूर?
क्यों नहीं करेंगे.